gorgeous mid-century architecture, stunning natural finishes throughout, and an oversized, sparkling pool that'll make your summers magical. That's just the beginning of what you'll love about my latest listing in Pasadena's beautiful Upper Linda Vista neighborhood. Hi, this is Eva Lin. 1575 Pegfair Estates is a spectacular mid-century ranch full of character and beauty. It sits on an expensive lot over 17,000 square feet, and you couldn't ask for a more friendly, peaceful, and picturesque neighborhood. I'm so excited to give you a tour, so follow me and find out just how special this home truly is. Welcome to 1575 Pegfair Estates. Come on in. You are in for a treat. As soon as you step inside, you notice the sumptuous materials like the terrazzo flooring and the vibrant natural light that pours through this huge wall of windows in the main gallery. To the left of the entry, you'll find the home's elegant formal dining room with its beautiful extra wide plank wood flooring. This is such a great space to host joyful meals with friends and family. I love how the dining room flows right into this inviting living room that looks up to the resort-style pool. The ambience is bright and cheerful, and we're treated to mid-century style in full display thanks to the statement stone fireplace wall and the great indoor-outdoor vibes. Further down the hall is the family room and bedrooms, but first, let's go check out the kitchen, which is located right across from the dining room. As you can see, the home's kitchen is a dream come true. No expense was spared during the remodeling of the space, and the result is truly spectacular. With fine walnut cabinets, top-of-the-line Thermador appliances, and a gorgeous quartzite-topped island, the kitchen emanates warmth and grace. This room is definitely the heart of the home, and what's more, you have great views and easy access out to the terrace and pool area. Just off the kitchen sits a spacious laundry room, and just before you step into the kitchen from the entry, you'll find a powder room perfect for guests. Behind the living room is a family room with its own statement fireplace and a peaceful indoor-outdoor flow. The home's 5 bedrooms are tucked away in the rear, and the owner's suite is an enviable sanctuary. Generously sized and filled with light, this is the perfect place for you to rest and recharge. 4 additional bedrooms share 2 hallway bathrooms, both with dual sinks. 2 of the bedrooms feature pool views, while the other 2 feature lovely garden views. Something so special about this home is how it was designed for savoring everyday life, both indoors and outside. This resort-style pool is just one example of that. This space is totally private and perfect for pool parties, barbecues, and entertaining. There's a great terrace area for outdoor dining and a built-in grill. There's also outdoor access to a shower and a built-in sauna. How cool is that? Around the side, you'll find a fire pit and a large grassy area for gardening, playing, or morning yoga out in nature. So that was 1575 Pegfair Estates Drive, a gorgeous home full of character and beauty, both inside and out. I invite you to reach out to me for a private tour while there's still time. You can reach me at 626-807-6581 or find me at blamerealtygroup.com. Thank you so much.